Hey guys, just ignore where we're at. We are going places. We're playing with new Drugstore, but first, I wanted to take this off on camera. I'm having like mild regrets about it. Oh my gosh, I slept overnight with this overnight scrunchie. Shall we undo her and maybe throw in a couple of curls? I'm ready to go here, so let's just do it. This was pretty comfortable to sleep in. I imagine it being even better if I did like one of the overnight blowouts, like just one rod in the front. Those can be uncomfortable, and I'm thinking that way you can lay flat and not have it like, you know, making you crazy while you sleep, but then get that like big bombshell volume. Oh my gosh, this could be a disaster, you guys. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it sleeping in the scrunchy thing. I think the other one, oof. I've got to master the overnight situation much better, clearly. However, we are not here to fuss about the hair. We're here to fuss about the new Drugstore makeup. I got sent from Moira a bunch of new crayons to play with. I'm really excited about this because I love their cream formulation. We're gonna get started on the face. I have some suspicious looking blushes from Revolution. They look very familiar. And what appears to be a tampon from Revlon. This is actually a new lip product, but honestly, what is this packaging? So we have stuff to dig into. I'm gonna get my base going and then we'll get into the new products. All the makeup used and worn will be listed in the description box below for your convenience. Oddly enough, I don't think I like the bronzing drop mixed in, and this is a foundation that I love so much from L'Oreal. Obviously, you guys know Infallible has been a diehard fave of mine for so long. I've just been curious, can I find a bronzing drop that I really love? The only one I really love so far is by In Beauty. The other one I like that's not really a bronzing drop is from Catrice. It's the Under Your Foundation Glow situation, but this is just making this foundation feel greasy. Okay, and also the dry shampoo I used is literally making it look like I have fuzz in my hair everywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna quickly just blend in a little bit of the Milani Cheek Kiss in Spilling Tea 120 just to warm the face up. Trying to go a little high and back and not bring the contour bronzing down too low. I want more of a lifted look. You guys know how you can take a pot concealer, put it on the skin, let it sit for a few minutes, and then somehow when you put on foundation on top of it, it doesn't really move and it really just meshes well with your foundation and is very undetectable. I have found that when you put your contour on your nose specifically, let it kind of sit there for a few minutes, you'll look a little bit crazy doing the rest of your makeup, but wait and then go over it with the excess of foundation that's on your brush or sponge, just kind of pressing it in and blending it out. It looks so good. So we're gonna let the nose contour cook and we are gonna move into some blush. You guys, these are so similar to the Milk Makeup blushes, which I actually really love. I know there was some controversy when they came out. People were like, ooh, like, I don't know. They look like candy, very jelly. Yeah, this is what it is. Oh my gosh, except for this whole thing just came out. Points deducted. This is like, I'm trying to take the thing off. Okay. Oh my gosh, that stains like right away. Dude, if you're looking for a very long wearing blush, what I feel these are is like Benefit Benetint in a twist up jelly formula that you can kind of stamp on the face. I actually don't recommend stamping it on the face. I am gonna use a blush. That's my preferred method. But for those of you that are brave and you wanna go straight on the face, it is very potent, it's very long wearing, it is a stain. So the moment it makes contact with the skin, it is doing that thing where it is staining the skin. You are going to have this on all day long, which makes it a little bit risky, a little intimidating. I have 3 shades, peach, strawberry, and cherry. What should I do? I don't even know if I wanna swatch this because, let's do it. Peach. Sacrifice my hands. Strawberry. Wow, holy smokes. Cherry. Ooh, those are very bright. Let's see the Milk Makeup ones. Maybe the packaging is screaming strawberry, but the actual inside is not. We got some dupes. These are dupes. These are so, I mean, this one from Milk Makeup Splash Cherry is the dupe. Holy smokes. Wow, like so spot on. Whoa. Illegal, illegal. Yo, this is way too spot on. Do you see? I mean, right away I will say this. Milk Makeup has a more elevated formulation. It's not as goopy, but the colors are the same. The stain appears to be the same. I kind of want to go in with Cherry. Let's be bold. Let's make this look all about the blush. We're going to take a stippling brush from Scott Barnes. This is technically a foundation brush, but I feel like it will work the best. Yowza. Yowza. Okay, let's just... Let's do like a 1-2 and take the foundation brush right on top. I would recommend not using this on top of powder. It's a lot of blush, but if you like that, great. I look like I've been out in the snow for a while. This is very wintry, extremely flushed. I kind of like it. That blended so beautifully. I'm not mad about these at all. Yes, it is a total hijack of the Milk formula and the packaging. Like, it's very spot on, but they're good. Let's see what happens when I try to take the stain off of my hand. Also, what do you guys think of my top? This is from Target. Ooh, I got something on it. Fuzz, excuse me. I feel like this is a dupe for the Zadig sweaters that I wear all the time that are very expensive, are cashmere. You guys are always asking, and I found one that is so soft. I'll show you. The cut is really nice. It's such a nice basic. Abercrombie jeans. I'll link my LTK below. I also just ordered this necklace. I'll put in with the mix. I don't have it yet, but I would wear it with this outfit. I'm so excited. It's like the necklace of my dreams. You know how you see something in your mind and you're like, I wish I could find something like this. And you go shopping and you can't find it anywhere. And then somehow, I actually found this through Pinterest, but somehow you like find a designer that's like, oh my gosh, you are in my head. That is what this designer is. Not sponsored. I have no relationship with them whatsoever. But if you love my chunky style of jewelry, this stuff looks gorgeous. I'll have to wait till I like actually get it to give you like the absolute thumbs up. But I'm so excited. Okay, so on the back of the hand, I would say that the Revolution is more aggressive as far as staining. It might be because they were on my hand a little bit longer. This is gonna be a long wearing one. I like it. And now we are going to take down the shine with a little Hello Kitty x Wet n Wild collaboration. This is to celebrate their 50th anniversary. Really pretty pink powder, and it's super finely milled. It takes down shine and makes you so pore free so quickly. Out of their whole collaboration, this is one of my favorites. Very brightening for under the eye too. That is really impressive. I don't like the whole shiny business. I don't know. It's just like I keep thinking I maybe do, and then I'm like, Play with a little lip product because we have quite a few to choose from. I have new ones from Milani. Milani has finally hopped on the clickable, juicy maracuja tart type of a thing, and we're gonna check them out. I'm first gonna line with my Honeybee Gardens in the best shade ever, Perfection. Guys, this is like 10 bucks on Amazon. I am telling you, if you are a totally toffee lover like I am, you will also love this one. I am about to throw my entire lip liner collection away and start over. Like, I have so many that are old and I don't really know which ones are super, super, super old and which ones are newer. Like, I know like the new, but like there's a part of me that's like, why do I have 5,000 lip liners when I use the same 5 over and over? This is one of the top 5. A friend of ours always says that insanity is not doing the same thing and expecting something different. True insanity is finding something that works for you and then going and doing something different. But with makeup, for some reason, it's an insatiable thirst. Like, I can't get enough. That saying was more so like, if you find a fitness routine that's working for you and you feel better than ever, like the insanity is stopping doing what's working. And I'm so guilty of that. I am. Let's go in with this one right here. This is actually kind of pretty. This is pretty. This is the shade Moi. I am not mad at these. They have a very thin texture, but it's still glossy, so it's actually the best of both worlds. It's a little more balm. Sometimes there are formulations that are just so slimy and like you feel like you're wasting product and that kind of bunches up on the lip. This is not doing that at all. Let's try another shade. We're gonna go in with Ribbon. I love these. Oh my gosh. Milani, what are you doing? Let's just swatch this last one for fun. Lana, you are vampy and you scare me a little bit, but oh, wow. Actually, that would really match what I'm wearing too. Moving on. These are cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free. They're $8.50. This is new from Moira. It is a color shifting shadow stick that is waterproof. Let's dig in and find a couple of shades we want to try out. I love a good shadow stick. Moira also, by the way, always has the coolest packaging. Okay, hello, these are actually really thin, which is nice because you could use this to line the eyes. You could also use it in the inner corner or under the brow to highlight. This is the first shade I pulled out. This is the shade for Beauty Queen. $8.50. And even the whole A to Z, the packaging is super pretty, like very satisfying. 10 shades total. The packaging is super cute. Now that I have them all swatched, it appears there are 12 of them. How gorgeous are these? I really like this green one right here. I'm trying to think, how can I pull this off? Maybe line the eyes with this? Do we dare? I'm also gonna use perhaps this guy right here. Let's just play. Let's play. Let's get down. Number 6, Ablaze. We're gonna start with this one and just go on the lid. So. I like seeing the capability of a cream stick on its own, but when they have shimmer in them, I typically will incorporate them with a powder. This is just not giving enough saturation to look correct on the lid. I mean, I liked it as a swatch more. That's this one right here. Maybe let's try something deeper. We're gonna go into shade 1, Risky Business. What's happening is as I'm blending it out, do we see I'm tapping and it's balding. I don't like that in a cream stick where the glitter itself is kind of moving around too much. So that is an issue with the 2 shades I've used so far. I'm gonna go with the green on the lower lash line. This might be such a disaster, but why not? Let's just try. Gosh, we're back in 2016 for sure. Oh my God, what have I done? We're gonna need some eyeshadow and a miracle. I have regrets. I have big time regrets. However, now you know the blending capabilities of this new product from Moira. And if you're looking for a beautiful green, like very holiday, for $8.50, this one is clearly very potent. Crisis averted, and now we have mascara to put on. This is new from L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise Big. Now, I love Lash Paradise, but if you can make it better, just like I was saying earlier, if you can make something that I already love so much in my makeup routine that much better, I'm in it. This is a big deal. A big deal. Doesn't really smell like anything. The wand is a lot different. I don't know that I'm vibing with that. I was expecting it to be like Dior, like big fluffy wand, but we shall see. Yo, wow, whoa. The lower lashes, perfection. So the difference between the original Lash Paradise and this one is the way it coats your lashes is said to be softer and more comfortable, and I can actually feel that. Like the way it goes on is very plushy, but it's still giving a lot of volume. This is a pretty penny. For the drugstore, it's expensive. It's $15.99. What do you guys think? I don't know that I like how, not flimsy, but like, do we see the wand is very bendy? That kind of drives me nuts because I don't feel like I have full control to really get in and layer sometimes the way I want to. But the way this is looking, the way it is feeling, I'm so excited, and I'm excited to see how it wears. I think I just found my new favorite mascara for lower lashes. I kid you not. I've been trying to do exclusively tubing mascaras, but like if this does not smudge, I'm in it. It's so nice. You can keep building it. Stop. Let's move into a little Hello Kitty cutest of all time highlighter. You guys, how adorable. You have Hello Kitty right there in the pan. You have 3 shades that you could work with individually or blend them all together. I'm gonna blend them together today and just do a quick little highlight. This is a very cool toned, icy, blinding, but I surprisingly have enjoyed this one quite a bit. We have one more item for the lips. This is from Revlon. I told you guys that it reminded me a lot from what I could see online of the old quilted package formula of a colorful balm. I forget what those were called. Let's crack into this one here. Honestly, the shade range could be a little bit better. I wasn't finding as many neutrals as I would like, and I am a neutral lover, but this one did call to me, number 900. This is the shade Girly Swirly. Ooh. That was pleasant. I was not expecting that. It smells so waffle cone-esque. Oh my gosh, that smells delicious. Okay, let's blot off Milani. And the Milani one, by the way, it says it's plumping. It's a cool plump and it's not aggressive. It's like barely noticeable, but it definitely does a little something. Not as much as the Tarte. I love how this smells. This color's terrible though. Grandma, what is this? What is this color? Oh my gosh, this would be like my favorite thing ever if it was like a really beautiful, like beige nude, peachy nude. But with this formulation, the color range is suffering a little bit. And that concludes another adventure in makeup. Drugstore this time, new launches. I gotta say, the blush from Revolution and this mascara right here are the ones that are standing out that I'm excited to reach for again. Some of it was okay, good, great, whatever. Some of it was not. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, what you'll be trying. Other than that, go and have a good one, whatever you are doing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.